the picture, it's more important to move forward, move on.
Bhoi Synod College Satsning on Wednesday felicitated 18 students who are the first batch of the college in a function held at Bhoi Synod College Satsning. It may be noted that the Bhoi Synod College was established in the year 2017 with the sole aim to help underprivileged students who could not afford to pursue higher studies. Addressing the function as the chief guest, Sabha MP Vincent H. Pala has lauded the initiative of Bhoi Synod College.
Jika bepihak nak college, berpenyai, berkabalan, berpenyai tak Synod, kali bantai dari keswet kejangki ke umstep kejangki kejang Tristan, kumohon berbres punya itu kejang kencau keman nak kepor nak sutulok, dekam dek masuk nak kerpan iki student baru usok nongkong usok ketiam tam.
An inter-school quiz competition was held in Joy